Welcome to this guide for installing and activating ID Welcome. To begin, log into the RecFaces download site at files.recfaces.com using the credentials provided by your manager. From the product list, select ID Welcome and choose the latest release. In the distributions section, select the appropriate operating system. We show the Windows installation, but it is also available for Linux. If any hotfixes are available, download and install them as well. It is also recommended to download the administrator's guide from the documentation section. It contains important system settings and the initial login credentials. Before running the installer, disable any antivirus software on the server. This helps avoid potential issues during installation. Run the installation file. If user account control is enabled, confirm the action to continue. Select the installation language and click OK. The installation wizard will open. Click Next to proceed, then review and accept the license agreement. At the next step, select the installation type. Standalone installation installs all core components on a single machine and is used in most standard setups. Then specify the number of video processing servers, trackers. As a general guideline, one tracker can process video from up to 3 cameras. Adjust the number depending on the system load and project requirements. Wait for the installation to complete. This process may take longer than shown in the video. Once finished, restart the system. Allow a few minutes for all services to start. Open ID Welcome from the installation folder or from the desktop. At the first login, use the administrator credentials provided in the guide. Enter the login and password. Then set a new password when prompted. After changing the password, the system will log out automatically. Log in again using the updated credentials. Next, open the System Information page. This page contains the hardware ID and other system details and is used for licensing. ID Welcome supports both online and offline licensing. For online activation, fill out the registration form with your company and contact information. Once submitted, the license will be issued automatically. For offline activation, copy the hardware ID and send it to your RecFaces contact. Then upload the received license file on the same page to activate the system. After successful activation, the system is ready for use.